Yo, we out here at my cousin's today. He needs some yard work done, so I said, hey Jack, I'll help you out.
Y'all gonna like this.
She's coming. Oh, you lost one of your hooks. Keep on coming, Jack. All right, that's good. A little bit more. All right. Oh yeah. There she comes. You're good.
These are damn dogs.
All right, we got like four branches here that need cut. See how they're like kind of drape back down? He don't want that, so we're gonna get rid of some. I'm gonna get on this lawnmower. When he cuts it, I'm gonna pull them away.
On the backside, cut it this way, and you're just gonna keep tension on it or whatever, and then whenever you feel it give away, just take off as far as you can until it hits the ground.
Okay.
That way it's away from me.
We just had some lunch. I think we're gonna load up some trees, haul it off to the dump, get some gas. We got some more trees loaded up. I think are we about to haul them off or what? About to haul them off. Probably get some gas for the Blue Beast. You say boobies?
I'll take a prayer.
No, the Blue Beast.
My truck is clean, I swear.
To the dump. They really did have land. You almost got it. Yeah, there's some thorns in there too, so he's got to be careful. Only professional can do this type of stuff. All right, back to the farm.
Free gas sound. It could every time you swipe it, earn rewards for fountain sodas, cappuccino, and pizzas. In-store.
Alright, this thing right here,
You really like it, don't you?
I love it. But you got to do a bandana, you have to roll it up a whole lot. And it gets really strong when you roll it up a lot. It's hard, tight on my fat head. So, I'm gonna cut it in half.
Trip number 3. Got a couple more left. I don't know if we'll get it done today or not, but hey Jack, it don't really matter if we do.
It don't.
This little country store up here is supposed to have the best, what is it? Sweet tea?
Sweet of the tea. God dang, broke my straw. Oh God, no. Mama make better sweet tea than that.
Is it that kind that has like that weird aftertaste? I hate that, dude.
I hate that. That's not good.
I had a feeling, so I got Coke. Can't ever go wrong with Coke, boy.
Nah, Coca-Cola is good.
Going to the dump, round number 3. Like we've been here before.
One time or two.
Slowly getting it out. Another load. This is the last load that we'll be able to take today because they're about to close the gates up. But let's go ahead and get this load out. That's all for today, folks. Got another load here. The yard is a lot cleaner than it was. Still got a lot of work to do. See y'all next time on
The Price is Right.